You all wanted this video, here it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fitness with Yogasini, and this is the Thursday segment of Fitness with Yogasini where I do your requests, videos dedicated just for you all. These are the videos you've asked me to do and here I am doing the video. So many of you DM me asking yoga asanas for weight loss. So that's the video we will be doing. Yoga asanas aimed exactly for weight loss, for toning, for definition. Today's video, Yoga for Weight Loss, aims at a full body workout. It will aim at working your full body, overall fat reduction. Like I said, there's nothing called spot reduction. Aapko malum hai na 30-day challenge mein se, where I kept on saying every day there's nothing called spot reduction. Exactly, there is nothing called spot reduction. Aapko overall charbi, fat loss karna hoga, to see some definition, to see some transformation happening in your body, and these asanas will help you. Now, just doing these asanas will make you lose weight overnight? No, aisa kuch nahi hai. But if you want to start at a beginner level with yoga and weight loss, you can try these asanas, and with time and some endurance and strength building, you can increase your reps, you can increase the flow, you can do a 1 hour of full vinyasa or a hatha yoga program, whatever you want to do. Or you can do one of my challenges. 4 challenges are already up on my challenge. This is your July challenge video. You can do that. And Saturday हम तो मिलने वाले हैं, chit chat करने वाले हैं about food and everything. Coming to food, थोड़ा बता दूँ food के बारे में क्योंकि आप लोग पूछते रहते हो. Though there are videos on my channel talking about what to eat, what not to eat, diets and all these things. आपको कम खाना होगा, पोर्शन कंट्रोल में खाना होगा, कैलोरीज इन कैलोरीज आउट. दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू बर्न मोर कैलोरीज एंड कंज्यूम लेस कैलोरीज. सिंपल फंडा है, ज़्यादा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है. कम खाना है, पोर्शन कंट्रोल में खाना है, न्यूट्रिशनल खाना खाना है, और शुगर और जंक को तो टाटा बाय बाय. तो अभी तक तो आपको कर देना चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर स्टिल ईटिंग जंक, इफ़ योर किचन स्टिल हैज़ जंक फूड, शेम ऑन यू. और यदि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया, आई होप सो, आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. लाइक बटन नहीं, सॉरी, बेल आइकन, थम्स अप और कमेंट, बिकॉज आपका सपोर्ट, आपका लव, आपका प्यार मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट इंस्पायर्स मी टू मेक मोर वीडियोज जस्ट फॉर यू ऑल. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू टेक अ पिक्चर, पुट इट इन योर Instagram stories, tag me at Yogasini, #Yogasini Fitness, so that I can inspire more people to take up a fitter, healthier lifestyle. Thursdays are videos just for you all. You know that already. So let's begin. Our first workout is a Surya Namaskar workout. I already have a video dedicated to Surya Namaskar on my channel. You can check that out. But I will also be showing you a demo of a Surya Namaskar you can do every day. Surya Namaskar is a full body workout. These 12 asanas will really work every part, every muscle, every ligament. That's why people have Surya Namaskar competitions like 100, 50. They go on pushing themselves because it is a full body workout and it's a yoga way of doing a burpee. You know how much burpee burns calories? So does Surya Namaskar, sun salutations. You can do it any time of the day. It does not necessarily mean if Surya is going to rise, you'll have to do Surya Namaskar then only. Like I say, you can work out any time of the day whenever you are free. That's the point. The point is not to have such a strict lifestyle कि आपको सुबह 6 बजे उठकर ही करना होगा. If you can't get up at 6 a.m, that doesn't mean you don't work out, right? So you can do this workout anytime, and 12 asanas, full body workout. Let's do this. Once you're done with Surya Namaskar, you can do these special asanas for weight loss, and they are Chaturanga Dandasana, also known as a plank pose. Chaturanga Dandasana is the best way to strengthen your core. As simple as it looks, its benefits are immense. It is only when you are in the pose that you start to feel its intensity on your abdominal muscles. Virabhadrasana, also known as a warrior pose. Toning your thighs and shoulders as well as improving your concentration has become more accessible and interesting with the Warrior 2 pose. The more you hold that pose, the better the results you gain with just a few minutes of the Warrior pose. Trikonasana, also known as triangle pose. Trikonasana also helps to improve digestion as well as reduce the fat deposited in the belly and waist. It stimulates and improves blood circulation in the entire body. The lateral motion of the asana helps you burn more fat from the waist and build more muscles in the thighs and hamstrings. Though this pose does not make your muscles shake as others do, it does give you the benefit that other asanas do. It also improves balance and concentration. Adho Mukha Savasana, also known as the downward dog pose. Adho Mukha Savasana tones your whole body with a little extra attention to specific muscles. It helps to strengthen your arms, thighs, hamstring and back. Holding this pose and concentrating on your breathing engages your muscles and tones them, as well as improves your concentration and blood circulation. Sarvangasana, also known as shoulder stand. Sarvangasana comes with multiple benefits, from increasing your strength to improving digestion, but it is known for boosting metabolism and balancing thyroid levels. Sarvangasana strengthens the upper body, abdominal muscles and legs, improves the respiratory system and improves sleep. Setubandha Sarvangasana, also known as a bridge pose. Yet another asana with multiple benefits is Setubandha Sarvangasana or bridge pose. It is excellent for glutes, thyroid as well as weight loss. It improves muscle tone, digestion, regulates the hormones and improves the thyroid levels. It also strengthens your back muscles and reduces back pain. Parivrata Utkatasana, this is also called the yogi's version of the squat. But you must know that it is a little bit more intense and tones abdominal muscles, works the quads and the glutes. The asana also improves the lymph system and digestive system. It is a great way to lose weight. Pavan Muktasana, also known as a wind releasing pose, helps you drop those extra fat from the stomach and the stomach region. Last but not the least, Navasana or the boat pose is the simplest power yoga pose for weight loss. It concentrates all the major muscles of your body. That was your yoga routine for weight loss. I hope all these asanas were beneficial. I hope you do them regularly. Try doing them at least once a day and reap the benefits. If this workout was too easy for you, you can check out other challenges on my page. You can check out other yoga routines on my page. I have yoga routines challenges for every level. Or if you haven't done my 30-day ab challenge, you can still do that. I'll put the link in the description or attach it somewhere here. That was it, people. I shall see you on Saturday with a new video where we talk to each other and I address all your problems. Okay? Bye bye.